Hello everyone, it's Recharge here and welcome to a 143 scale video. And I'm super excited because we have a charger. Yes, we have a Dodge Charger MK1 from 1967 in 143 scale. I knew about this model's existence that is coming out mid 2025, and well, now I got it. It came out in January 2026, so finally, it's in my hands, and I'm super excited. Well, maybe it don't sound really excited, but I am actually very excited. I really want to get it out of the box and get a closer look. Actually, forgot to take off this, this plastic. Oh, come on. Putting a fight. That's the only thing I don't need. Now let's push this forward. It should come out. Because I don't want to damage the cardboard, because I do keep those. So I can put the gorilla case back in, because I don't keep them like this. They do go into other places for me without the case. I do keep these though. So yeah, this thing looks awesome. I really want more colors of this. Probably not gonna happen all that soon, but really it looks very good. So yeah, okay, let's I'll actually do it like this with this one. That one doesn't want to cooperate, so I'll just cut it like so. There we go. The color looks so nice. I really do like the color. And let's search for a screwdriver. Let's see if this one would work, or it's maybe too small. That's too small. I always have to use the M2 screwdriver. It always works. So there we go. Put that away for now. So here's the car itself, and it still feels so nice to keep holding this in my own hands. There's your base details straight off the bat. Dodge Charger is on there. Got the full exhaust system, you can see, and everything. Nice vintage race, not race, but vintage tires right there. They're BF Goodrich tires. Looking all nice. There's your front details. We got the lensed front headlights with this ginormous grille. These have no opening parts, but it feels like it's a plastic hood. It feels like it, but it's not. I think it's just matte painted. Could be actually maybe a plastic one. Maybe it is, because when I touch it, it feels like plastic. So it could be a plastic piece as a hood. But still, yeah, it does not open. It's not openable. But they have never been openable. But, you know, new cars, maybe new ideas. Yeah. Here's some more. You got one mirror there. The interior is in a darker green of this car's body color. There's your back, the massive light bar, brake light. These used to be very cool back then, and now they're back on all the electric cars and stuff like that. And I personally do like them. It's a very cool idea. I don't know what the AC204 stands for, but it's there. It is there. So yeah, that's very cool. Let's have a roll test. Yeah, I had a suspicion that the front wheels would be. Oh, they're a bit wobbly. Okay, I was not expecting wobbly wheels. Oh, I noticed even why. It's this side of the tire. I didn't even notice that. Don't understand. It's off the rim or something, or what? Because now it's getting caught every single time. So if I pull it slightly back, what will it do for me? And now it rolls. I don't know what I did because it feels like as you can see that moment there where it's more chunky because it looks like it's off the rim. It actually is, but it allows it to roll, as you can see there. It is a bit weird. I think it's because it was screwed too hard to the base. I think that might have been the issue, because now it rolls perfectly well, so I'll just have to keep it like that then. It is weird, but yeah. So here you go, 67 Dodge Charger. I am very happy to finally get this one. So if you like this, I do suggest you get one also. So if you like the car, like this video, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.